Alright, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We have Mahi Mahi. I just put garlic, salt, and pepper on it. Then I put it in an egg wash. And from there, I put it in a mixture of panko bread crumbs and Parmesan cheese. And then I just fried it in butter. It looks amazing. I think this will be my first time to have Mahi Mahi. So yes, first time to make it. Have a lemon wedge, and then this is a Southwest chopped salad kit from Aldi, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Alright, here's a look at what we're having for dinner tonight. We have Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken. If you haven't tried it, you should. It is restaurant quality, so delicious. Steamed broccoli and just a box of chicken flavored rice. And that is what we are having for dinner tonight. Okay guys, here's what we're having for a super easy Saturday evening meal. These are the Tyson Southern chicken breast fillets, or tenderloins maybe they're called. Just the bagged Tyson chicken. I did 3 of those, they're so big. And then this is the little mini naan bread. So I baked the chicken first and then took it out, put these little pieces of naan on there, stuck it back all in for 3 minutes. Then I just basically cut those up. And what I'm going to do is put this tzatziki sauce on top. Then I'm going to top it with the chicken and sprinkle on just a little bit of cheese. So I'll show you what it looks like after I get it all finished. Alright, here's a look at how they came together. These look so good. Super quick and easy. So yeah, looks so good. We're eating on our fine china tonight. That's what we do on Saturday nights around here, people. That's what we do. Hi guys, I've got my favorite fleece owl pajamas on. And yes, it's dinner time. I just happened to grab my shower and get in some fresh pajamas for the rest of the day. That's the kind of Monday I like to have, if I'm being honest. I'm getting ready to cook dinner. You see this beautiful jar of green beans. This will be part of our dinner tonight. And these came from my son Gunner's garden. And Gunner and Abigail are great little homesteaders, and this was their first big garden. They've had small gardens before, but the house that they bought a year or 2 ago has room for a great big garden, and boy did they have a big one. So I just wanted to show you how pretty these are. I'm going to insert some footage here of us breaking these beans several Wednesday nights on family night. When we were finished with dinner, we either just stayed around the table or we headed out to the porch for a good old-fashioned bean breaking. And even little Henry got in on breaking beans. So I'm going to insert some footage here and show you that. And I'm going to get these in the pot and let them start cooking. There is nothing better than garden green beans fresh, and second choice, canned. So good. Alright, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We've got some cube steak. I just salted, peppered that, fried it in a little bit of olive oil, and then when it was all finished, I added in 1 can of cream and mushroom soup, diluted with just a little bit of milk, and I let it simmer, and I tossed in some fresh mushrooms just a few minutes ago, right before time to serve. Mashed potatoes, I like the Yukon Golds, just a little bit of the gravy on the top. Here's those delicious green beans that I showed you, and I just put a little bit of the crispy French fried onions and cottage cheese. And that is what we are having for dinner. This is very simple. Just cook cube steak low and slow, and it gets tender and perfect. That's what we're having tonight. Well, good morning everybody. I am going to be doing some vegetable prep today and fruit prep for the week. I've got things in the fridge that need to be cleaned, washed, cut up, that kind of thing. And so I'm starting off this morning with these mushrooms. I had a whole packet that I just bought on Thursday, but they already look like they needed to be used. And I'll give you a tip with mushrooms. As soon as you bring them home, open them up. Tear a hole or rip open the plastic on the top. Let those breathe in your refrigerator, because if you don't, they'll just get soggy quicker and start to look kind of mushy. So just open them up so they can get some air, and that will extend the life on your mushrooms. So what I did, I just fried up the whole container. I put half of them in this little cup, and the other, well, I put about 3/4, and then about 1/4 of them I fried up with some egg substitute. And so that's what we've got going on there, some scrambled eggs. In my toaster, it just popped up, I am having a half of a pizza bagel. I showed these in my grocery haul. And on top of my bagel here, I'm gonna use this Philadelphia spicy jalapeno. This is so, so good. It is not so spicy that you don't enjoy it. The flavor is amazing. So I'm gonna put that on top of my half of a pizza bagel. I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic salt and just a tiny bit of everything with the bagel. I know everyone is crazy over the seasoning. I'm just okay with it. I've had this bottle for a really good while now, and I'm about 1/4 of the way through it. I like it okay, but it's just not my favorite in the whole wide world. But I'm gonna use that today, and I'll show you what it looks like after I get it all together. There we have a pretty good looking breakfast. Hey guys, I wanted to show you these. They are crepes, chocolate hazelnut. They're made by Simple Truth from Kroger, and I think they were on sale for $3. And let me show you. Okay, so they're individually wrapped crepes. This one's chocolate hazelnut. You just take it out of here and zap it in the microwave. It is so good. 150 calories. And then, I also bought the strawberry. And so this one is just full of like strawberry, yummy goodness. Like I said, just zap it in the microwave. So strawberry and chocolate hazelnut. You can even have one of each. So I just thought I'd show you guys these little treats. Hi guys, and happy Wednesday. As you can see, it's still a winter wonderland out there, and pretty cold to go along with it. So I've just been doing some work here in the house today, some gathering and cleaning and decluttering, and I am getting ready to make myself some lunch, and I thought I would show you what it was, but I just want to show you how snowy it was outside. Alright, so here we go. These are the Trader Joe's chocolate-filled crepes. And there are 7 in a box. I kind of thought maybe they would be in a wrap of some sort of little bag or something, but they're just down in the box. And so I am going to heat up 4 of these on the plate. They're not super huge. They're about, I don't know, 4 inches, something like that. And there's oven directions and microwave directions, and I don't want to wait on the oven right now, so I'm going to heat them in the microwave, and I'll show you what they're like. Alright, they've just come out of the microwave, and you can see they're looking all chocolatey and warm inside. They look really pretty. You see the steam coming off of them. Now, this is about as plain and simple as you can get. It is a chocolate crepe after all. That's pretty fancy. But you could top these with whipped topping. You could drizzle some fresh like chocolate syrup on it. You could add strawberries to the top. And I don't have strawberries or whipped topping. I do have some chocolate syrup, but I'm gonna actually just eat these like they are. Oh, you could do powdered sugar. That would be good. So I'm going to eat these just like how they are. And I'm going to let you know what they taste like here. Let's see. Look at that chocolatey goodness. All right, let's give it a shot. That's good, you guys. The chocolate is really rich. Oh yeah. I probably could use some whipped topping to cut the richness of the chocolate, but I was wanting chocolate, so chocolate is what I have. Just thought I would show you these and tell you they are definitely a thumbs up. Very delicious.